How to turn off active status on Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn off active status on Messenger. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Messenger app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the menu icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the menu section, simply tap on settings. And now here, once you're inside the settings, you can simply scroll down and tap on the option labeled as active status. And now here, in this section, simply toggle off the option that says show when you are active. And now here, once you have toggled off this option from the pop-up menu, you can simply tap or select until I change it. And after that, you can just tap on pause. And now here, once you do that, the active status will be turned off on Messenger. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.